Are you looking to advance your career in government investigations and regulatory compliance? 3CIR proudly presents our comprehensive Certificate 4 in Government Investigations Regulatory Compliance course designed to equip you with the essential skills and knowledge required in this dynamic field. This course offers an in-depth understanding of government processes, investigative techniques, and compliance strategies. Whether you're a public servant, a law enforcement officer, or looking to enter this exciting field, our course will provide you with the practical skills and theoretical knowledge to excel. Our engaging online learning platform brings the classroom to you, enabling flexible study options to fit around your busy schedule. With our expert instructors and interactive materials, you'll enjoy a learning experience that is both informative and enjoyable. Hear from our successful alumni who have leveraged this qualification to advance their careers and make significant contributions in their roles. Their success stories are a testament to the quality and impact of our program. Enrolling is simple. Visit our website, explore the course details, and take the first step towards a rewarding career in government investigations and regulatory compliance. Our dedicated team is here to support you every step of the way. Don't wait to make a difference in your career and in the world. Join us at 3CIR for the Certificate 4 in Government Investigations Regulatory Compliance. Enroll today and be the change you want to see.